Welcome to Drive Your Logic. Come, let's play with numbers.
Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I am back with one more topic, that is ascending and descending order of what? Of a fraction. And many students I have seen that they find it difficult to do ascending and descending order of a fraction. See, when we are doing of like fraction, it's very easy. What is like fraction? Like fraction means when the denominator is equal, means same. That is called like fraction. For example, if I tell 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 6 by 3, 1 by 3, like this any number. So that it is called as like fraction. But today we will not do ascending and descending order of a like fraction. We are going to solve of
Like fraction. What? Unlike fraction.
Okay, so let's start. So how to do ascending and descending order of a unlike fraction. So what is unlike fraction? See, all the denominators are different. Here the denominator is 5, 10, 14, 35. Clear? Now what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of the denominator first. And it's very easy to find the LCM. So let us find the LCM. 5, 10, 14, 35. We all know how to find the LCM. So with 5 we will start. 14 we can't. So we will leave it. 7 we can take. Now it's okay. So what we are getting the numbers? 5 into 7 into 2. That is how much? That is equals to 70. So our LCM is 70. So you can write down LCM equals to 70. Now the process starts how? We will write down the first fraction and we will convert it into a like fraction. Why we are converting into like fraction? Once we convert into like fraction, it is very easy to do ascending or descending order. So first we will convert it into like fraction. How to convert? We will write down the number. So 5 into how much? Our common LCM, that is 70, it will come. So how to find? Here also many people face difficulties. Okay, so I am telling you one more trick. See, can you see 5 here? So this 5 you can imagine. So leaving this, discard this 5, what is left? 14 is left. That means when you multiply 5 into 14, you get 70. So the same number you multiply 2 into 14, you will get. So 2 into 14 is how much? 28. So one fraction you got. Now the next fraction, that is 3 by 10. So let's do 3 by 10. How to do 3 by 10? It is equals to, like this you will write down same, 10 into how much? And the same number you have to multiply in the numerator also. So 10, so if you take 5 into 2, that is 10. So what is left? 7, that means you have to multiply with 7. So what? We will get the common denominator because we are making it into like fractions. So here we will multiply with the same number. Clear? Then we will take 9 by 14. So 9 by 14, you will write down 14. So to bring 70, what do you have to multiply? See, you can divide 70 divide by 14, but why to do that? Okay, just see here, 7 into 2 is 14. If you are taking this two number, so what is left? 5 is left, so take 5. That's simple. So 45. And the last one is 16. So there is no space. Let me take some space from here. Okay. So the last number is 16 by 35. Sorry. So what you will do? 35, 16 multiply. So 35 into how much? So 5 into 7 is 35. So what is left? 2 is left. So you will multiply with 2. So what will be our like fraction? 70 is common and 16 into 2 is 32. That's it. Now we got all the given fraction which are like in numbers. See, all are like. Okay. Now what to do? Now we have to just arrange it in ascending or descending. It's your wish. So if I say ascending, you just see all are like fraction, all the denominator is same. So ascending means small to big. So which is the smallest number here? 21 I can see. This is the smallest, so you can mark it number 1. Then after that, this one. Then after that is this one. And then this one. Fine. Now you just arrange it. But then one thing you remember, while you arrange, you will not write this like fraction. What you have to write? You have to write the original number. So first one will be 3 by 10. I'm doing it ascending, so I will write down this one. Then 2 by 5. Then less than. Third number is 16 by 35. And then the last one is 9 by 14. And if you want to arrange in descending order, just make it opposite. 9 by 14 greater than 16 by 35 greater than 2 by 5 greater than 3 by 10. So it's very easy. So let us do one more example. Let me do one more example. Suppose 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 11 by 15, 17 by 20. So what we are going to do first? We are going to find the LCM first. So what will be our LCM? 5, 10, 15, 20. So one more trick is there, you know. So that LCM trick, see the LCM will be 60. How? I will show you. Wait, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 2. Now we can't cancel anymore. So we will write down 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. See, one more LCM trick is there. Whenever you get the same type of number, see the largest number you take it. The 20 is the largest number. Okay, now you see how I got 60. See, 20 largest, then you see with 5 it can be divided, with 10 it can be divided, but with 15 you can't divide. So you have to make 20 as such so that we can divide with 15. So if you multiply 20 with 2, it is becoming 40, but 40 also you can't divide with 15. If you multiply 20 with 3, that is 60. See, 60 you can divide with 15. So our LCM is 60. So that's also an easy process of doing LCM. So our LCM is equals to 60. Now we will do the same process. What you will do? 4 by 5. We will write down in this way. And 5 into how much and 4 into how much we are going to find in that process. Same process, 60 denominator, because we are going to convert it into like fraction. So 5 into how much? So if you take 5 here, what is left? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. So 12. So multiply with 12. 12 into 4 is 48. Okay. Now 7 by 10. So 10 into how much? 5 into 2 is 10. So what is left? 3 into 2? 6 is left. So 7 into 6 is how much? 42 by 60. Then third one, 11 by 15. So 15 into how much? 11 into same number we will take. So let us find 15. 5 into 3 is 15. What is left? 4 is left. So top also 4. So 4 into 4, 44. And the last number is 17 by 20. So what you will do? 20 20 into here 5 into 2 10 20 20 into 2 30. So 3 7 into 3 how much 1 51 by 60. Yeah, 1 by 60. So that's it. Now you can arrange in ascending as well as descending order, your wish. If I am taking descending order, so which is the largest one? I can see 51 by 60. So which one you will take? Your answer will be 17 by 20, the largest number. Then which one? Largest fraction. Then after that, I can see this one. So you will write down 4 by 5. After that, which one I can see? This one. So 11 by 15. Then which one? This one. So 7 by 10. So it's very easy. Okay, you all can do it in this process. And while finding this one, while finding the fraction, unit fraction, this like fraction, always use this one. Then you don't have to find how to do divide and all this thing. Use that. Okay. So that's all for today.